fix touchpad not working. Hello everyone, and let's get started. To fix this solution, we need to update the drivers. So for that, you have to right click on the start button and go to device manager. Once the new page is open, you need to click on the drop down menu of mice and other pointing device. Here you can see Synaptics Precision Touchpad Filter Driver. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. You can search automatically for the drivers, and then you can search for updated drivers on Windows Update as well. After this, what you can do next is click on Human Interface Devices. Hereby, you have to click on HID compliant touchpad devices or driver. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. Or you can click for Scan for hardware changes as well. However, if it is still not working, the best option is to uninstall the device and restart your device. This way, you'll be able to install the new driver. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you